Hey everyone, today I will show you how to speed up videos on TikTok from iPhone, Android, iOS device, any mobile device. So let's get started. We have two ways to speed up TikTok video. First way, when you try to upload any video, in very bottom tap on the plus button. So next step, tap on upload, of course here, and then select any video which you want to speed up or speed down. Then tap next, and here you will see my video. If you use Android device, you just tap on the speed up icon in very bottom, maybe here. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on adjust clips. In very bottom you will see this speed up icon, just tap on it and select any speed which you want. By default select of course 1x, then you can slow mo or you can faster, then tap on save. Second way, it's when you try record any of video, as you can see here, and then you should tap on this icon speed, here you can see, and of course select what speed you want to select. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.